My name is Heta Shah. I'm an electronics and telecommunication engineer from DJ Sangvi College of Engineering in Mumbai and currently a second-year student at BITSoM. During my engineering, I came across the idea of blogging and started my own food blog, which made me enter into the world of marketing. Further on, I also participated in few competitions, namely the SE Aero Designing competition in US, and this helped me to understand what managing team is. It enticed me into the idea of management and marketing altogether, which made me pursue my MBA degree. When entering BITSoM, we got introduced to the idea of PDP session by Leena ma'am. Leena ma'am initially started by introducing us to a lot of world-renowned tests such as personality test to understand the leadership values and how our attitude are towards others. This not only helped me understand my strengths but also my weaknesses and my relationship with people in the team and everywhere else. Many people may think that these tests put you into narrow buckets, but for me it helped me reflect a lot into myself and gave me a starting point. Once I was aware about my strengths and weaknesses, I further on had a one-on-one conversation with Leena ma'am to understand which battles I should fight and not fight in life and capitalize on them further on. This also helped me during my internship, which was the summer internship at Arthur D. Little, to work in teams and to manage the expectations. Further on, when I had the one-on-one session, it was very personalized as Leena ma'am tried to understand the scientific process behind the organizational behavior and attitude we brought in a team. This helped me a lot to develop my personality and reflect on myself.